Warehouse Topology SAP EWM, Storage Bins Key Learning 1. Warehouse Topology in EWM, the structure and organization of a warehouse in SAP Extended Warehouse Management EWM. Explanations 1. Warehouse Topology in EWM, Key Points. Warehouse. Number, a unique identifier for the warehouse consisting of 4 digits. Storage types, physically or logically separated areas within the warehouse. Storage sections, optional subdivisions within a storage type for easier access. Storage bins, the smallest unit in the warehouse, uniquely named and used to store stock or handling units. Explanation. The warehouse topology in EWM consists of several hierarchical levels. The warehouse itself is identified by a unique 4-digit warehouse number. Within the warehouse, there are different storage types, which can be either physically or logically separated areas. Storage types can be further divided into storage sections, which are optional and used to make certain areas more accessible. The lowest level is the storage bin, which is a unique spot for storing stock or handling units. Storage sections, for accessibility, dividing shelves into 3 different storage sections, one at body height, one requiring the worker to kneel, and one requiring a ladder. 1. The first section is easily accessible at body height. 2. The second section requires the worker to kneel. 3. The third section requires a ladder for access. 4. This setup allows for a put-away strategy that prioritizes user-friendly sections first. Unique storage bin naming.